This breakfast recipe is one of my top beauty elixirs. Include this in your diet every day and you can thank me later. This is the pomegranate with date and flaxseed crumble. It is an easy recipe to make. The pomegranate is full of antioxidants, anthocyanins, and polyphenols. The anthocyanins are known to inhibit cancer. The flaxseed is excellent because it lowers your blood sugar by 20%. And it's high in omega-3s, which are known to suppress your appetite, which will help you get through the day. This combination of pomegranate and flaxseed is a high fiber duo that is great for your digestion. Into the food processor, I'm going to put 1.5 cups of flaxseed, 10 dates, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. The coconut oil is going to pull it all together. We're going to go ahead and pull. So this is the final product. It's going to be crumbly and mixed perfectly with your breakfast. The pomegranate in my bowl. I'm going to top it off with some of the date and flaxseed crumble. It is a beauty tonic. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the bottom, put a little bit more flaxseed or pomegranate areolas. Just going to put a little bit more of the flax. This is a perfect cereal alternative. And I'm just going to top mine off with a little bit of raspberries. And some almonds. Give it that little extra crunch that we all love. It is so delicious. You are going to love this breakfast. I hope you give it a try. And what you can do is you can add your choice of nut milk in the bottom and it's a perfect cereal.